dispatch to 38?
Yeah.
We have a report that someone's seen a ghost in the back of the park.
And why did you call me?
Because you're the police?
I'll head over there, but you probably should have called the Ghostbusters.
Probably true. Thanks. Check it out and let me know what you find.